You started GLP-1 shots to lose weight, and they've worked at first. But lately, are you feeling drained, foggy, and maybe even anxious or flat? Your appetite's down, but your energy's gone too. Here's the truth. It might not be your willpower or your dose. It could truly be your adrenals. Hi there, I'm Dr. Holly Donahue, the root cause doctor. Today, I want to unpack the surprising connection between GLP-1 medications and adrenal fatigue, and what could be truly happening in your body, why it matters, and how you can look at fixing it before your burnout derails your results. Let's really start with the basics, because that's what I love to do with my clients and patients. GLP-1 medications like semaglutides and tirzepatides, they mimic a hormone your body naturally makes to balance blood sugar and reduce your appetite. That's why they've been so successful for weight loss. They slow digestion, stabilize your glucose, which is your sugar, and tell your brain and gut that you're full. But here's what most people don't realize. GLP-1s also change how your stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline behave. And when your adrenals manage those hormones, they're already under pressure from chronic stress, possible poor sleep, or under eating. These medications can push them past their limit. Your adrenal glands are small but mighty, and they sit right on top of your kidneys, and they act like your internal stress thermostat. They release cortisol to really help you regulate blood sugar, energy, blood pressure, and even inflammation. When you're constantly running on stress and stimulants or calorie restriction, your adrenals go from overdrive, wired but tired, to depletion, exhausted and unresponsive. That's what we call adrenal fatigue, when your body's stress symptoms simply can't keep up anymore. So now imagine layering a GLP-1 medication on top of that. Your appetite drops, your calorie intake shrinks, your blood sugar stays low, and your adrenals are screaming for help, and your body thinks it's not safe. GLP-1 shots affect both metabolism and mood chemistry. When your body is undernourished or under-recovered, cortisol levels spike to compensate. That's why so many people on GLP-1s report afternoon crashes, anxiety or flat moods, trouble sleeping, slower recovery from workouts, and that feeling of I'm off, I'm doing everything right, but my energy is tanking and I just don't feel like myself. If you ignore those signs, you risk slowing your metabolism and plateauing your results, because the adrenal GLP-1 connection is your body's way of saying, I need stability, not just suppression. If you're using a GLP-1 shot right now, please listen. The medication cannot do all the work. It's the beginning, but it's not the end. You get to create a healthy nervous system and strong adrenals to sustain your results. That's exactly why I created the Energy Reset Blueprint. It is my 3-step system to manage stress, balance blood sugar, and achieve deep restorative sleep. Click the link below to watch the webinar and learn how to protect your energy, avoid burnout, and really get the most out of your GLP transformation naturally. So let's talk about root cause recovery. If you're on GLP-1 medications, here's how to support your adrenals and protect your progress. Eat enough, especially protein. Even if you're not hungry, aim for consistent, nutrients-dense meals with protein at every single meal. Your adrenals need amino acids to make hormones, and protein is the best way to get your amino acids, especially animal protein, but you can get it other ways. Prioritize electrolytes and minerals. GLP-1s can blunt thirst signals, so dehydration can equal adrenal stress. Add in magnesium, potassium, and sea salt to your routine. Please make sure as I'm speaking these that you are checking with your practitioner. I am not diagnosing and treating here. I am really just giving you information. You also want to respect your rest and deep REM sleep. Deep sleep is when your cortisol resets, your brain detoxifies. If you're waking up at 3 a.m. or feeling wired at night, it's your adrenals screaming and asking for help. And it may not be allowing melatonin to kick in and say you're tired and get you into that deep REM sleep, because you see, cortisol and melatonin balance each other out. Cortisol during the day, melatonin at night. Think about reducing your stimulants. Caffeine plus low calories is a cortisol trap. Swap that afternoon coffee for herbal tea or mineral water, and even green tea. Be careful not to drink it past 3 p.m. Breathe and move with intention. Gentle exercising and slow breathing helps restore your vagal tone, your vagus nerve, which turns off that chronic stress response. When you strengthen your adrenals, your GLP-1 results become sustainable, not just short-term, but long-term. GLP-1 shots can be powerful tools for transformation, but only if your whole system is supported. When your adrenals are healthy, your metabolism and hormones and mindset totally become aligned to who you are. When they're depleted, even the best medication really feels like a struggle in your own body. So if you're tired, anxious, or hitting your wall on your GLP-1 journey, it's time to look deeper at your body's stress story. Your energy is your foundation. Let's rebuild it together. Click the link below to join the Energy Reset Blueprint webinar right now and discover how to nourish your adrenals, calm your cortisol, balance your blood sugar, and feel strong, steady, and focused again. If this video helped you understand what's really happening between your fatigue, give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone else on this journey. I am so blessed you joined me here today, because the truth is this moment is valuable and you're never getting time back. I hope it was helpful, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. I am sending you so much love, and have an amazing day.